Getting paid for your online fundraiser is easy with the use of eChecks. Your profit eCheck from Rada will be emailed to you by the 15th of each month for the profit earned the previous month. The email you receive will include a secure link in an email allowing you to retrieve your eCheck. You'll need to set up a username and password the first month. Your eCheck looks very similar to a standard check. Simply print the eCheck on any printer using standard printer paper. Take it to your financial institution and endorse the back for deposit, just like any other check. Your eCheck will be valid for 90 days after you receive the email. After 90 days, the eCheck will automatically be void. Did you know your online fundraiser with Rada Cutlery is a perpetual fundraiser? Simply continue to promote your store link to potential supporters, and Rada will send your profits each month. You can use Rada's social media toolbox for images and post ideas. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. We're here to help.